are very lazy. You should not be like that. You should concentrate on your studies. Homa Janilu, Namaskar. Here I am Tapati Singha from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some more simple sentences like he swims every morning. He means ta. Swims means hature. Every means nikka. Morning means biane. So it will be he swims every morning means ta nikka biane hature. The second sentence, Ratan talks very fast. Ratan talks. Ratane gujurer. Very means jobor. Fast means chalak kore. So it will be Ratan talks very fast means Ratane jobor chalak kore gujurer. The book is on the table. Third sentence, the book is on the table. The book means Lady Khan. Is ase. On means goje. The table. Table hanor goje. So it will be the book is on the table means Lady Khan table hanor goje ase. He loves to play basketball. He loves means ta hobapar or ta monar. To play khelani. Basketball. Basketball khelani monar. So it will be he loves to play basketball. Ta basketball khelani monar. They went home. The next sentence. They means Tanu. Tanu gore gelaga. Went means gelaga. They went home. Tanu gore gelaga. The next sentence. No one will come after me. No one will come means kungo nahitai. No one means kungo. You know the meaning of come means ahani. So no one will come means nahitai. No one will come after me. After means pisete. Me means more. No one will come after me means more pisede kungu nahitai. They went fishing after school. They went means tanu. They means tanu. Tanu gesilaga. Went. Tanu gesilaga. Fishing means mas dorat. Fishing means mas dorat. After school. After means pisede. School means school. School or pisede. Tanu mas doranit gesilaga. So it will be they went fishing after school means Tanu স্কুলৰ পিছেৰে মাছ ধৰাত গেছিলাগা. The next sentence. I would like to help you. I would like means, you know that I means me. I would like means monani, hobapani. So here like means monauri. I would like me monauri. I would like to help you. To help. Pangkorani. You means tore. So it will be I would like to help you means mi tore pangkorani monauri. The next sentence. I lost my watch yesterday. Mi kali mor ghorihan mang koresilu. I means me, lost mang koresilu. My means more. Watch means ghorihan. Yesterday means gelga kali. So it will be I lost my watch yesterday. Means me gelga kali more ghorihan mang koresilu. I need a cup of tea or I need a cup of coffee, you can say. I means me, need means lager. I need a cup of tea. Cha cup ahan morta lager. I need morta lager. Actually, I means me. But when we say I need, it will be morta lager. Here, I cannot say me lager. No, it is not correct. I need means morta lager. When we say I am, then it will be me. But here, I have, I need, will say morta lager. If I say I have a watch. So it will be morta ghori ahan ase. I have means morta ase. I need means morta lager. The next sentence. She runs every morning. She means they. She runs every morning. She means they. Runs means dabdiri. Every means nikka. Morning means biane. So it will be she runs every morning means they nikka biane dabdiri. They nikka biane dabdiri. The birds fly in the sky. The birds pahia poli. Fly means phordi dara. In the sky. Hakhanat. The birds fly in the sky. Pahia poli. Hakhanat phordi dara. The next one. I can run faster than him. I can run. I means me here. I can run. Me paruri. I can. Run means dabdani. I can run faster. Chalak kore. Then him. Tarang to jinge. Then him. Tarang to jinge chalak kore mi dabdani paruri. Or you can say mi tarang to jinge chalak kore dabdani paruri. Okay, tell me one thing. Is it tough learning Bishnupriya Manipuri? I think it is not so tough. So let me conclude today. Meet you again. Thank you. Namaskar. Habihan Hobaya Thayo. Take care.